Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Onyx or XCN. Wanted to do a full update. Covered this on Monday, back when the mainnet launched the 3rd of March. Wanted to do an update on the current situation to tell you what's going on, what to expect, what the possibilities are, and just in general, hopefully everything you need to know. All right, so that's what we'll do. Like I said, hope you're having a great week so far. It's been a quite volatile week for the entire market, also for XCN. Now, fortunately, if you watch my video, at least on Monday, you would have expected this move. All right, what I said back on Monday is that just statistically, usually what happens after a mainnet launch, which we had, the Goliath mainnet launch, usually it's most likely price will fall down. That's what we did. It was not only a sell the news effect, even though I do think the sell the news effect helped. In general, the market also just started retracing, right? So it's a mix of those two things, causing the price to fall down, but the price fell down as expected. All right. So what that creates is the current situation, which I have to say is a consolidation. All right. We have actually been able to form some sort of a strong bottom right here between 1.5 and 1.45 cents, and that's also with the bearish pressure we had on Tuesday night, has been able to hold as a support. So that's relatively good news because, Onyx XCN has been in a downtrend with the occasional short squeeze basically since the beginning of February. So we have a consolidation here. We have found some sort of it seems, fair value where the price can actually consolidate. But then the question that most of you probably will have is, well, that's great, but can we actually expect some bullish momentum from here? And my answer to that has to be no, unfortunately. All right, I like XCN a lot, and I've said this quite often, but I wish the best for all the XCN holders, and we have some positive bullish fundamentals and development as well, with a liquid staking solution. So they're really good at pushing all of these updates, pushing all of these developments. But in the end, you do have to get some sort of technical confirmation as well, that these developments actually do something for the price. And that's what we're lacking. All right, if you take a look, well, all right, we cannot see that from here. But if you take a look at the volume is down still 34%, even though the volume has already been dropping since Monday. All right, so that's not great. Then outside of that, what is true is that the funding rate is often very negative, all right, because a lot of people short XCN, and that's also not the case right now. It seems in general that the average funding rate is actually getting back into the positive. So that means that there's also less of a probability that we'll see some sort of a short squeeze like we've seen so often. So do I expect this support level to hold? Yes, I think the markets are getting a little bit more stable, and I do think there's still possibility for some sort of a short squeeze, but the main resistance level we have is right here at 1.9 and 1.85 cents. I don't see enough strength to break above that, and I think ultimately the one thing we should be worried about the most is that if we see some sort of bearish pressure coming back into the markets, that XCN fails to hold the support level at 1.45 cents, and then it drops down to the next support level, which would most likely be somewhere between 0.9 and 1.1 cents. So be aware of that. That's what I think you need to know for now regarding XCN. That's what I think is most likely. If you do have any questions, anything, let me know down in the comments. But for now, that's it. So have a great day. Have a great rest of your week. I'll be back with new updates whenever necessary. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.